Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best Mech Arena promo codes working right now in 2025. These redeem codes for Mech Arena are by far the best, guys. I spent a long time looking for them, searching Google and YouTube, and these are going to get you tons of free A coins and also keys and credits, saving you a bunch of money and preventing you having to purchase in-app resources. So it's pretty easy to do this, guys. You just need to make sure you follow the instructions that I'm going to show you, and let's get you these Mech Arena promo codes working right now in 2025. You need to use your mobile phone and just open up the internet browser. I'm using an iPhone, but it does work also on Android, and you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys, straight into your internet browser, Cold Coupons. And this website is awesome. I've used them for loads of different things, but they do have a promo codes for Mech Arena page. So if you go to the search bar where it says search here, in there, just type in Mech Arena, and you're looking for this page, guys. As you can see, there's 3 promo codes currently available today, and they're being used and they're highly rated as well. So as I mentioned, you can get a Mech Arena promo code for 100 free keys. You can get 25,000 free A coins, and you can get 100,000 free credits. So all of these codes are working. You just need to select which one you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose the 25,000 free A coins in Mech Arena code. And this confirms your choice. Highly rated code, guys. So this is going to search for a working and valid code for you to grab. You can see, guys, it says at the top the coupons are limited, so there is a process of unlocking your personal code. You can see here, guys, your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you will likely need to complete a quick verification, and this basically prevents people from stealing all of these codes. So it says here, complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So you're going to see a list of 3 tasks here, and you just need to choose 2 of them and basically complete them by following the instructions below each one. So these can be things like free surveys and free applications like mobile games and stuff. This one here says download and install the app and create a free account. So as an example, you would click on it, basically grab it from the App Store. There's also some surveys as well. You just need to make sure you read the description, and once you do 2 of those, your Mech Arena promo code will be fully revealed, and in this case it's going to supply you with 25,000 free A coins. Super simple, guys. Just go to Cold Coupons and find the Mech Arena promo codes page, and they're by far the best promo codes working right now in 2025. Enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.